Hey guys, Call of Duty Warriors here. Here I have Leo Messi 1001.
Hey guys.
Yeah, even Leo Messi 1001 is going to be having a channel. So check out. He's going to post his first video today. So let's start the match. Yeah, how are you feeling after so many days back on my channel?
And guys, comment down below if I should make a Free Fire video in my channel.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, so yeah guys, I got the new class over here. I'm so excited. Yeah, I couldn't post the video which it was showing like I got my first win. That was so it was like 30 minutes video, so I couldn't. So here we are. We'll try to win today. No, not again. Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm going to use this. Now I'm invisible.
Bro, our characters are so cool.
I'm invisible now.
Yo, what?
See how I
How did you
appear.
get this thing? Yeah. How did you get this thing?
It's called a class called Poltergeist. The newest class. I'll do it again. See, I'll do it again. I'm here.
Yeah. Yo, it's so cool.
And I'm here right here. You're running
Yeah, I
away.
can see you. Actually, I can see you. I can, when you're invisible, actually, I can see where you're going.
Only you
Because
can
the
see
name
other.
tag shows where are you going and
Only
the
you can see,
invisible,
but other people cannot
yeah.
see.
Yeah, anybody cannot, but I can.
Welcome to Battle Royale. The
Yeah,
match is about to
so
start.
we'll try to win this match. However, oh no, there's a clown down here. It did not blast on me. Yippee!
Time for the mission. Get
So,
ready.
guys, the match has started.
Yeah, we are going to be only playing one match today. So
Yeah.
sad. Yeah, every time we play only one match. That's correct.
And the next video will be in my channel, guys. Don't
Yeah.
forget to subscribe to my channel and
To my
the voice
channel.
won't be working, but you can watch.
The voice would not come because he has some issues. So we'll try
Yes,
I'll try to fix it. I will. Yeah, we'll be posting videos every single. Yeah, I couldn't post these days because I was too busy in my school.
Yeah.
Even him.
We had
So
slip
much
test
schoolwork.
to write. So we had to prepare for our slip test. So yeah, guys.
Yeah, the online sessions are dope.
Yeah, guys. It's too.
Yeah, I will try to arrange a meeting with one of you guys. So subscribe and I'll choose one of you guys.
Yes, guys. Oh, M4 in the first one.
First blood.
I used only shotguns. Video was not at all nice.
Yeah, actually.
It was like I couldn't even shoot people. I died in the first things. I got a shotgun. I was talking about shotgun. I got a shotgun.
I have M4 UL 376. Extra, what do we say? The scope, only one.
I found a
Okay,
guy.
there's a GKS here. Do you want it?
I want it. Just keep it for me. I'll be back. There's a
Yeah,
guy
wait.
here. I'll kill him.
Yeah,
I'll come.
over here.
Did you kill him?
Nobody. I didn't kill nobody, bro.
I see a guy somewhere. Yeah, the GKS. I saw a guy on the mini map.
Wait,
He's
I'm gonna
somewhere,
come.
he's somewhere right there. Oh my god.
Oh,
Where is he?
do you have West level 3?
I think so, yes. I don't know how to check that. Hey,
I think this guy is up. Let's go up.
no,
Come
I
on.
checked up. He was not there. He's not there.
This guy must be hiding, bro.
I saw him. He's there. He's there. I see him. He ran away over there. He's shooting someone. Or someone is shooting.
Yeah.
I killed him. I killed him. Yeet. You had a seeker.
This guy does not have any proper gun. I mean, nice gun.
Proper
We're
guns.
already inside the safe zone.
You cannot do that. You cannot do that.
The revived
It's
flight
like
will
so
arrive in 1 minute.
hard. At home studying is the worst.
Yeah.
Right.
This is 1 GK and I'm going to take 1 GK which I actually not. Yo. This Simsham has color.
Yeah, it was mine. I dropped it.
Okay.
I dropped it. It's evil chip. There's another guy. Found him.
Yeah.
Trying to kill him.
I'm coming. Yeah.
Oh, he's killing
I
me.
see in my
He's
team.
killing me. He's killing me. I killed him. Yeet.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Where are you?
I
Okay.
want a AK-117.
Oh, you're inside. Eh?
We cannot spot any of those barrels now. Yeah, na?
I'm
The
thinking.
safe zone is collapsing.
Those barrels are not even being spotted.
Yeah, these barrels. I don't see any barrels from the starting.
Ari, those barrels will have in one barrel there will be at least one AK-117.
Yeah.
That's the correct thing.
There used to be one barrel right here. And there are no barrels.
I'm trying to find barrels literally everywhere.
Bro, let's go back.
I'm in
Put the
killer.
guns inside. Put the guns inside.
Why?
We don't need guns. There's no one.
We have a helicopter literally and you want to go away. I see a guy. Shot the heli,
Okay, I'm
no.
coming.
You shot the heli.
There are 2 people.
No.
There's a guy. He's killing me.
You're not even
The
dead,
revived
Ray.
flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Is
He's
there?
inside.
I'm going near him. Are there
Wait,
two?
Oh my god. This guy's killing me so bad.
Hey, I killed him.
Okay.
Hey, I need the adrenaline.
Use an adrenaline shot now.
There's another guy.
Okay.
How many guys landed killers? She's there. Hey, no. Not my 150 HP health.
Changing
That's
mag.
a headshot.
Hey, I'm on the AK-117.
Yeah, take it.
Don't pick up these. These are mine. Yeah.
I'm going to take M4.
I need a scope now. Thanks. Got a scope. Yeah, there is a little
Using bandages
disturbance. So don't mind it. Do you have grenades?
Wait. I don't have. I just have smoke grenade, consciousness, and our Nova gas.
Yeah, I'm going to where? I'm going to the upgrade terminal, I think so. Yes, we are.
Yeah. Upgrade terminal. Let's go.
Next to the center.
There's even one near the bus station.
I don't want to go to the bus station because there will be so many buses there. What gun is it?
There's a 3K.
Yeah, there will be a scope. Yeah.
Okay, let's go. The safe zone's shrinking. I'll drive this time.
No.
Sit down. Sit in fast.
That's not happening. I want to drive.
The revived
I will
flight
drive
arrive
every
in 1
time or
minute.
else I'll shoot it.
And, okay. Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, it's all. Hey, there's a guy. Shoot him.
I don't see wait, let me catch.
He's right there. I killed him.
Enemies.
We have to run, bro. Save your life. You
Okay.
want to die, right?
Keep the guns inside. Run.
Yeah,
Run,
that's
run.
what I did.
Scary cat 7.
Oh, it's so near.
There's another guy.
And we're done. And we're done. We're
There's
done.
another guy.
Bro, I'm dead. I'm almost dead. Don't worry about him. First, run inside the safe zone.
I am not able to.
Taking bandages now.
This guy is just.
I'm running as fast as I can.
This guy is literally shooting me. Shavan, if you find a vehicle, please.
I don't find any vehicle.
Please, 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 please. God, please. God, please, please.
Run inside. Run near me. Run
At
near
least
me.
I have 4 adrenaline shots. I'm so safe.
The safe zone's not shrinking. Come fast.
I'm trying.
I'm wearing an adrenaline shot. I'm putting on an adrenaline shot.
I'm trying. Eat. I'm almost there. Yes, I am. Thanks, God. Thanks, God, for saving me.
So let's run inside the safe zone.
That Sakura guy.
I know that in Kill House I just found some of there were 2 war machines. Let's just
Yeah. We are so safe now. We are so safe. Thanks, God.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
The vest covers our skin, you know that? The vest is so bad that you take this vehicle, okay? No, not again. There's another guy. Not another guy.
Engaging the enemies. Enemy down.
Finally. Hello?
AK-117 finally, bro. I have AK-117.
We need to run again.
Oh, coming.
Drive. I'm shooting people.
You killing? There's no guy.
Yeah, but this is unlimited bullets, right? Overheated, it seems. If you find a bike, just get in it.
Chip terminal is
Do you
almost
see a
ready.
bike?
No one.
Okay, bye. We need to literally go fast. Hello?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I'm stuck. Let me get in your vehicle. Please.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Please, wait.
What?
You drive, I will sit.
Okay, yeah, then. Come out. No, come out.
Hey, we don't have so much time now. Hey, we don't have. There's a guy again. I'm going to shoot him. There are 2 guys. Oh my God.
Come, let's kill them.
You come in the vehicle. There will be like 5 bikes here.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Changing mag.
There are on top of the building.
Half
No,
the
he's
teams
killing
are
me.
eliminated.
He's killing me. No. I killed him. Yet I killed him.
Yeah, good one. Wait for a minute.
There will be a guy to revive that fellow. No, Shavan. There are 2 guys.
I'm down.
I'm dead.
The enemies.
Shavan, revive me fast. Just revive me and run.
Enemy eliminated.
Oh, I killed 8 people.
Use an adrenaline shot now.
Using adrenaline shot now.
The wall.
Just secure me. Will be like, yes, 150 HP. Come on, guys, to shoot me. That guy over there. He's running away.
There's a guy near us.
I killed him.
No, there are like 2-3 people.
Not a gang.
Guy shooting me.
I killed him. No!
Oh,
This is not happening. Again.
yeah.
Hey, guys.
Just play one last match.
No. So, guys, we are going to end this video right here.
Okay,
See you
so
all
yeah,
guys
guys.
in the next one. Peace out.